Alright guys, today we are going to be bringing you the Traxxas Hoss.
Andrew, did you say Traxxas Hoss?
Yeah.
Yeah, man, Traxxas Hoss is coming at you live here. Jag RC Outdoor Adventures. Thanks for watching our channel. Guys, remember to check out our Facebook page, Jag RC Outdoor Adventures. You can follow us on there. We try to put the videos on there too. Some informational stuff for you. So let's get to it.
Yeah. Alright guys, so first we're going to be running a 2S, then we're going to switch off to a 3S just to see how it goes.
Yeah, because guys, we like running big power on our trucks, of course, and we don't want to just like sit there and just play around with like no power. We like, lots of power!
Yeah!
So let's get this battery in here. We're gonna roll it out with a 2S. Aiden, get that battery tray opened up. There we go. All right, let's throw this thing in here. All right, now, oh, I made that. Put that in the right way. Guys, you wanna make sure that battery fits kind of snug. This one is a little loose on here, but we're gonna run it anyways because we're just gonna do a little bit test run with this. Normally you wanna throw the foam in there. There is a foam block that you could put in here. I got this little one's coming out a little bit here. Let's just fix that because we're gonna do some thrashing, bashing, and crashing with this baby on the Traxxas Hoss. See what this truck could do. All right, Aiden, you want to turn that transmitter on?
And plug
Get
in the
that
battery.
clicked on. All right, we'll fire this thing up. We want to make sure that the green light illuminates on your ESC here on this VXL 3S waterproof ESC by Traxxas. And as long as this green light illuminates and you got a green light in your receiver box over here, you guys are ready to go. That means everything's all full power. Hey, do you want to try that steering out? All right, try the throttle quick. All right.
Oh yeah.
Looks like we got some power. Aiden, it looks like you're taking the first test run on this bad boy. Is that what you're doing?
Yeah.
All right. These bodies, guys, these new Traxxas bodies with these locks are just super. Because it's quick, easy. All right, man. Let's take that thing for a rip. How's it handle, Aiden?
Yeah. Looks like it does some wheelies in between there.
Now that's ripping on 2S power. We're gonna burn it up for a little bit on this, and then we're gonna throw the 3S in there and see what this baby's got on 3S. Yeah, I like the graphics on the body on this truck. It really like it presents itself really nice.
Yeah, it does.
Oh! Little end note at the end.
Alright guys, the cool feature on this truck, if the truck is flipped over, you can just do the self-riding.
What you want to do is you hold that set button for 4 seconds and this truck's going to rock back and forth and get back on its wheels. Oh, there it is.
Guys, these Sledgehammer tires, they grip really good in the grass. And also, the wheelie bar on this truck, it lets the truck do a good wheelie, but not all over rotate.
All right, guys, we're gonna throw in a Traxxas 3-cell 5,000 milliamp hour battery. Let's see what this thing's got.
Yeah.
Let's rip this 2S out. We're gonna take this bad boy out. All right, so we're just gonna unplug it.
Undo that holder right there. And
All right.
got the battery.
Hold that one, and we're gonna throw this 3-cell in here. This battery's gonna fit a little bit tighter because
It's a
this
bigger
battery's
battery.
a little thicker. So it's gonna fit nice and snug in there. You don't need to worry about putting any foam on your battery to get this thing on. Make sure your transmitter's on. Ours is already all set to go here. Plug this in, turn the truck on. We're good, we got green, that means LiPo ready.
Let's pop this body on here and see what this 3S has got.
All right, here we go. We got power.
Woo! That is definitely a lot more power than the 2S.
All right, guys, this 3S really has got definitely some more power to it. You know, of course it's 3S, so you're gonna have more power, but the truck really, it livens up. Ooh, nice barrel roll there. The truck really livens up on this 3S, I gotta say that. Definitely, I think that's what we're gonna be running it on all the time.
Yeah.
If we're gonna be using this thing and running it and thrashing, bashing, and crashing this bad boy, because
sure.
the 3S definitely has got the power.
And that's what we want. We want all power.
The truck really handles actually pretty good.
Yeah, it does. And guys,
Just being on grass here, you know.
This is the highest battery that you can run this truck in when it is stock. You cannot run a 4S on it. With the MAXX, when it is stock, you can.
Guys, this truck is definitely a lot of fun.
Yeah.
That put a hurt on it.
Yeah, it did. Alright guys, now we're gonna do a couple of jumps.
Guys, this truck is super smashable. This Traxxas Hoss, I gotta say, this thing is awesome. It held up to all the abuse that we gave it for this first run. We ran it with the 2S, lastly with the 3S. Super bashable, takes the jumps. Guys, and I don't think we're gonna throw any upgrades on this truck right now. As far as being all stock, these Sledgehammer tires handled, you know, great.
Yeah.
Plenty of traction just in the grass. I'm sure they're gonna do awesome in the dirt, and we're gonna run it. So
all right guys, please like this video, and if you like our other videos, please subscribe to this channel.
I don't know, Aiden, what do you think of this car?
I like it. If you like it, smash that like button.
All right guys, we will see you in the next video. Stay tuned to our channel.
Yeah.
We got some killer stuff coming at you. See you in the next video. Later.